Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca and this is the first video of this year. The moment when I'm filming it's still 2020, but I can't wait for 2021. I hope your New Year's Eve was safe and you had a lot of fun. I want to kickstart this year by doing a look to celebrate 2021, so let's get started. My face is obviously done already, so now I'm going to do my eyes, and I really want to do a cool tone, kind of a goth type of an eye look. So I'm going to use this KVD Vegan Beauty Shade and Light Eye Palette. It has these cool tones here that I can use for today's look. And I'm going to start with this shade that I'm going to use in my crease as a transition shade. And for that I'm going to use a Juvia's Place 006 blending brush. I love Juvia's Place brushes. I didn't expect to love them as much, but they are so amazing. I already have a little bit of concealer on my eyelids, and I also set it with powder. So that's going to act as a base for my eye look. So this shade is going to go in my crease. I love using cool tones like this for my crease, I don't know why. And I'm also going to apply it on the lower lash line. On my lid I'm going to apply this cream shade here. And by the way, this is a Juvia's Place 005 small buffer brush. Okay, and now I'm going to deepen my outer corner using this dark brown in the palette. And that's gonna go on my outer corner. And I'll try fading it into the cream on the lid. Now I'm taking the blending brush and really fading this edge. I'm going to add a wing liner to this look, and I'm going to use this Sephora collection brush tip liquid liner. And I'm not sure if I want to do a bold liner or a baby liner, but I think I'm going to go with bold. So from the corner of my eye, I'm going to continue as an extension of my waterline. So starting from the corner, I'm doing a line that's pointing towards the corner of my brow. And then imagine a point here on, I don't know, where your iris kind of begins here. And you want to connect this point with the end of this line. So I'm going to go straight and I'm going to look ahead. And now I can fill it in and perfect it if I need to. And I need to. And see, when you do your liner like this, when you close your eyes, it's going to look a little bit weird. And the more hooded your eye is, the weirder it's going to look. It's going to look kind of like a lightning shape, which is fine. You want your liner to look good when you look ahead and when you're being relaxed, not just doing this, you know. Okay, I had to make mine a little bit thicker to match the other eye. Sorry. I'm going to add mascara and false lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay, the lashes kind of gave me a hard time, but they are finally on, and now I want to draw 2021 on my face. It's going to be a little bit hard since I have to draw mirrored, let's say, but first I'm going to do a sketch, and I'm going to use this Huda Beauty liner, and I'm going to use the pencil part. Here it comes 20, then we have 21. Okay. Now I kind of need a liner that I don't like and I don't mind wasting. I just realized this. I think I can fix this. I'm taking my sponge. No, not a sponge. Okay, I'm going to need a little bit of foundation. Okay, it could be worse. Okay, so I mentioned how I need a liner that I don't mind wasting, and that's definitely my Wet n Wild waterproof liner. I'm sorry. It's just not it. And I'm gonna use it to define the numbers. And I'm trying to mimic that kind of a graffiti font, let's say. What the did I just do? Oh my god. I had liner in my hair. And this freaking hair did this on my face. Imagine if my ear started like this. And now I'm going to do the dripping paint. Next I'm going to line my lips and apply some lip gloss just so my lips won't look as pale. And I'm going to use this NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Beige. And the gloss that I'm going to use is this Essence Shine lip gloss. Just like you in 2021. And that's everything for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed how the look came out. It's quite simple, but I feel like it's nice to just celebrate the new year. Remember that anything you can dream of can and will be yours if you just have the courage to go for it. It's mostly up to you. You need to work hard and believe that it can be true for you. I really hope you're having an amazing start of the year and stay awesome. Bye!